Hello, everyone. This is Calvin Russell, CEO and founder of 850 Club Credit. Hope everyone's excited to see this information we're about to share with you today. I don't know if this is a good thing or a bad thing, right? I just know that there's been a lot of discussion, in politics regarding student loans and student loan debt and things of that sort. And they're not just trying to fix the current problem, okay, which is, of course, putting people, in a better position to actually pay their loans off. At least by reducing the overall debt amount, because let's be honest, there's a lot of people that have student loan debt, but they're trying to actually start at the beginning. And this time it's a little bit different. It's not politics at the beginning. It's honestly the schools. And not in a bad way, but the schools are saying, you know what? We're the ones who come up with the price. We come up with the number. We come up with the package, the financial aid, the requirements, what you get, what you cannot get. All of that plays a role. Okay. So what is going on? Well, more colleges and universities are now starting to adapt a lot of different changes, two of them being really big. Number one, a lot of schools are now starting to consider or put in place a no loan degree, okay? Or they call a debt-free degree, okay? And that's where you can actually get a degree in certain fields in which you won't get any essentially you won't accumulate any student loan debt. So a lot of colleges have been actually doing this for quite some time. I had no idea that some of these prestigious schools like Princeton, they've been doing this for quite some time, since 2001. They've come out with a no loan policy long time ago. Now, granted, obviously you're thinking Princeton, everybody, most of their applicants, you're assuming, can afford that. But not everyone can. And some people actually need some sort of financial aid. And that's the second part, is changing how much aid does a person get. Now, when I went to school back in 2006, you got money for the semester. You pretty much you got money to cover the entire semester. Of course, there was a refund check that we got, like $2,000, $3,000. We kind of talked about this in another video, and refund checks are about 40 to 50% of what you end up owing in student loan debt. That's a whole nother conversation. But either way, it's more so not giving people as much. So this new wave, this new group of, new college freshmen, there's a very good chance they may not get a refund check. I don't know if it's still like that back in the day, but schools like Ohio State University is now publicly announcing that they're putting together a 10-year scholarship almost, if you will, and a certain amount of students will essentially go to Ohio State University at no cost. Okay, this is huge because not just because of the size of the school, but because, that's a large school, a big name school, and it's just a matter of time before other universities follow suit. I had no idea Northwestern's down the street. I had no idea Northwestern has been putting together something in place for a no loan student degree. Okay, so I think that's pretty big because the schools are now saying, hey, we play a role in this, right? Because everybody on my timeline is talking about, what schools their kids have got accepted to and things of that sort. But it's kind of I won't say a contradictory version of certain things, but it's more of a sour taste, because it's like, on one hand, my mom is complaining about how much she owes for, for student loans, but she's making me go to college. I won't say making, but, giving me the opportunity to go to college. But at the same time, how am I going to pay for it if she's supposed to be paying for mine and she can't pay hers, right? That's a realistic conversation. And so now the schools are now saying, okay, if we're going to give financial aid, how much aid do we give? And certain schools are now changing the requirements. They're changing the amounts that you get. So at minimum, refund checks are about to go away if they haven't already. For those who don't know what a refund check is, you probably didn't get one. But a refund check essentially is money that's left over. I'm like, how is there money left over when I'm not working? I have no credit, no cosign, no down payment, nothing. No assets or anything, and there's money left over. It's like $3,000 a semester. If you graduate on time, that's 3 times 8, that's 24,000. That's at least 25 to 50% of what people owe for student loan debt, right? Am I right about this? So the schools do play a role. However, I'm not saying that a teacher or professor should get paid less. I'm not saying that I don't want to walk into a nice computer lab. I'm not saying that I want my professor to be trash, right? If that's what that money can get you. But if things have a cost, then things have a cost. But there's a way to kind of do this whole process. And like they're saying, maybe we shouldn't have given them as much aid. And there's going to be some people who honestly need a certain amount, and because that may not be enough to actually cover the entire semester. So we'll see how this whole thing kind of unfolds, because now schools, they want to be the ones that stand up and say, hey, I care about how much student loan debt we are participating in putting you in, okay? And so then the schools that don't say anything are going to look like they don't care. So guess what's going to happen? More schools are going to start following suit and say, hey, we got a no loan process. We have a debt-free degree, or whatever that ends up being, right? But this is major for Ohio State, Northwestern, Princeton, who's been doing this for quite some time, is now saying, okay, you know what? This model makes sense. So we'll see how this plays out. Again, we don't know if it's good. We'll know if it's bad, but don't be surprised, of how things roll out for your freshman that's going into college this fall. Okay. So if you guys know of anyone that may like this video, like it. If you want to share it, share it. And as always, be sure to subscribe as we have nothing but great content on the way. Thank you guys so much. Have a great day.